Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get market share. First, let's define it. Market share is simply your company's slice of the total industry pie, measured by sales. A larger slice means more revenue and often, a stronger brand. To begin, you must deeply understand your target customers and what they truly value. Delivering exceptional value is key to attracting new customers and retaining existing ones, setting you apart from competitors. To effectively gain market share, you need to thoroughly know your landscape. Start by identifying your ideal customers, understand their demographics, what problems they need solved, and how they make buying decisions. Simultaneously, analyze your competitors. What are they doing well? Where do they fall short? How do they price their offerings? This dual insight helps you pinpoint your unique selling propositions, highlighting what makes your product or service truly special and desirable to your target audience. With a clear understanding of your market, it's time to implement effective strategies. Consider offering competitive pricing, perhaps a 10% discount for new customers, or providing significantly superior value that justifies a premium. Continuously enhance your product or service based on customer feedback, aiming for a 5-star experience. Finally, deploy targeted marketing campaigns, focusing your resources on channels where your ideal customers spend their time, ensuring your message resonates directly with them. Gaining market share is just the first step. Sustaining it requires ongoing effort. Continuously monitor market trends and customer satisfaction, perhaps through quarterly surveys, to ensure you remain relevant. Innovation is crucial. Regularly introduce new features or services, aiming for at least one major update every 6 months to stay ahead of evolving demands and competitive pressures. Most importantly, cultivate strong customer relationships, turning satisfied buyers into loyal advocates who will drive repeat business and positive word of mouth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.